Yeah, good afternoon, students. So today we are going to discuss about the questions asked that were asked in chemistry from this classification of elements and periodicity in properties. You are asked actually two questions. बच्चे आप ये चैप्टर से आपको दो प्रश्न पूछा गया है in NEET 2025. So and those two are also from again from NCERT textbooks only. From NCERT textbooks only. Just you can go through this one. Now, so that's why we from Chemistry Academy always insisting to first you finish the NCERT textbooks. Later you can read any other material. Okay. Here we are ready to help you. So पहले आप NCERT बुक्स पढ़ो. बाद में क्या होता है कि आप most 90% question they are asking from NCERT textbooks only. So that's why we are every time we are insisting to first you read the NCERT books. Now, if you see this, so today's topic is classification of elements and periodicity in properties. You will be asked two questions, usually in JEE mains or NEET. Again, in coming NEET also in 2026 also you will be asked two questions. So वो questions कहाँ से आ रहे बेटा? NCERT textbook से आ रहे. कल हम एक वीडियो में देख चुके हैं एटॉमिक स्ट्रक्चर में तीन क्वेश्चन डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम 2 pages दे आस्क 3 क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम एटॉमिक स्ट्रक्चर दिस योर 11th standard part 1 book से. So here also again the same in this classification of elements and periodicity properties you are asked two questions. I don't know how many of you were answered or able to answer, but if you see till now I think in your different institutes also they have finished, but here one question asked on main group elements. So what are main group elements? You know that this periodic table can be classified into S black elements, P black elements, D black elements, F black elements. Now here one question they were asked is which among the following electronic configurations is here? This is a 53rd question. So this one simply you need not to worry. Why? Because if you read the NCERT textbooks, you will be able to solve 90% of the questions. Now, if you see which among the following electronic configurations belong to main group elements? So, a main group elements क्या है? Main group. So the topic given is main group elements. So before answering the question, you have to know that what are main group elements. So here they have given the neon 3s1, argon 3d3 4s2. Krypton 4d10 5s2 5p5, next argon 3d10 4s1, next radon 5f0 6d2 7s2. So इसमें आप 5 answer there, 5 example they have given. From that you have to pick the correct answer. What are called the main group elements. So if you see in this, 3 are from D black elements, 1 is from S black element, 1 is from P black element. So in the given electronic configurations, you can find out that 1 is from S black element, 1 is from P black element, and 3 are from D black elements by seeing the electronic configuration. Now, are you able to answer the question now till now you know the what are main group elements? So it is clearly mentioned. It is your part 1 book again. ये जो बुक है बेटा आपका ये 11वीं कक्षा का पार्ट 1 बुक है केमिस्ट्री. नाउ इसमें क्या है? If you open this periodicity and classification of elements and periodicity property, on the page number 84, they have clearly mentioned after the starting of the explanation of the P black elements, they mentioned that you see here is P black elements along with the together with the S black elements are called representative elements or main group elements. So P black elements along with the S black elements. So P black elements, S black elements and P black elements are together, they are called representative elements or main group elements. So now you will get the answer. Very simple. So it's not like tough. It's not tough. Just you have to know that what are main group elements. Next time they may ask what are representative elements. It is clearly mentioned in the 84 page number 84. So now the answer will becomes I already told you 1 is from S black element, 1 is from P black element, 3 are from D black elements. So automatically S and P black. So automatically A C will be the answer. So this is a very easy question that was asked in NEET to 2025. Okay, well, you will be able to get very easily 4 marks. One question means how many marks? 4 marks. That is the first question that was asked in classification of elements and periodicity in properties of 11th standard. Okay, now second question. If you see the second question, so automatically you'll be knowing that what are the topics we are going to study: classification of elements and the periodicity in properties. So next question is based on periodicity. So in that they have mentioned what we call atomic radius and next electronegativity, like that. All these. So all these were, they made one question. They made some. They are given some statements, and they are saying that which of the following are correct. Okay. So if you see this one, you see here, unlike gallium that has a very high melting point, CGM has a very low melting point. On Pauling scale, the electronegative values of N and Cl are not the same. Argon K plus Cl minus Cu2 plus and S minus, Ca2 plus and S2 minus. It is sulfide ion. All are isoelectronic species. This is correct. The correct order of the first ionization enthalpies of NaMg, Na, magnesium, aluminum, and silicon. Silicon greater than aluminum, greater than magnesium, greater than Na. Next, option E is that is fifth statement is the atomic radius of CS is greater than that of lithium and rutile. This is also correct. By seeing only you will be knowing that. So the answer is C and E. But you need not to worry. These statements, they are not given from out of your the textbook, but it is there clearly in the form of tables. You see here. From the tables only they have made a statement. You see here. This is the first one. Atomic radius. Now if you see this one here, this one first ionization enthalpies. Okay. Now next you are seeing that Pauling scale electronegativities. See, need not to read any other material. First you finish the NCERT textbooks, then read any other institute material, whatever you want to read, any one material. But leaving this main textbook and reading something extra is it's a wasting of your time only. So that's why we from ChemG Academy always insisting you to read. First you finish up these NCERT textbooks, then we can cover the remaining thing. See, if you read this, you'll be able to solve 85 to 95% questions. Already in the yesterday's class we have seen in atomic structure, three from whatever 3 questions asked, they are from directly from textbook. Now in today's class we have seen classification of element and periodicity in properties. Again, the 2 questions from the textbook only. And what is the need of reading, leaving the main topics and leaving the textbook and reading extra material? So it's wasting of your time only. That's why हम ChemG Academy से आपसे पहले ये टेक्स्ट बुक्स फिनिश करने के लिए मीन्स पढ़ने के लिए हर बार हमको आपको याद दिला रहे हैं. So ये first you finish off these textbooks, followed by you can read according to your wish, you can read any other material. Okay, now say आप पूछ सकते हैं, आप only you simply explaining the previous topics and saying that you are explaining, but here we are going to solve from yesterday onwards only. I am going to explain all these topics. Why? Because to fix you to read first NCERT books, I am explaining all these things. Yesterday I explained about the atomic structure, 3 questions from the textbook. Today, classification of element. In the coming days, in the coming week only, I am going to start the atomic structure, all these things. Here I will explain all the topics from NCERT textbooks and whatever the material extra material needed, that I also explain here. So all the best, beta, for your JEE mains and also NEET 2026 from ChemG Academy. So this academy is exclusively for chemistry. Here we are not going to teach any physics. Here we are not going to teach any maths or any life science, biology. Here we are going to teach about exclusively chemistry. Okay, all the best.